you think hurricanes are just swirling winds. Prepare to be amazed. Did you know that hurricanes can release the energy of 10 atomic bombs per second? That's like Mother Nature's own fireworks show. And get this, hurricanes have eyes. No, not like your pet cat, but a calm center called the eye where the winds are eerily calm. Spooky, right? Here's a crazy one. The largest hurricane ever recorded was Typhoon Tip in 1979, stretching over 1,380 miles wide. That's bigger than the distance from New York to Miami. But wait, hurricanes aren't just a problem for us humans. They can actually help oceans by mixing up the water and distributing nutrients. Thanks for the assist, hurricanes. And did you know, hurricanes can trigger tornadoes? It's like a wild weather combo meal. Alright, curious minds, if these facts blew you away, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. See you next time.